Hi guys, so how to fix Facebook Messenger message requests? First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Now, all what you want to do next is wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find the Facebook Messenger right here. When you click on Facebook Messenger, now all what you want to do is very simple. Click on force stop and then click on data usage. Disable the roaming data and make sure that the three options are enabled. Go back, click on storage or the internal storage and make sure that to clear the data and cache. The last thing you want to do is open the Play Store and update your Messenger right there. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.